Today, I'm giving you a big family pantry tour plus 8 gluten-free must-haves, or at least 8 gluten-free must-haves in our family's opinion. If you're new here, I'm Shayla. I'm a wife, a homemaker, and a homeschooling mom. We have a family of 8, and I'm a lifestyle blogger and vlogger. Content you'll find me talking about include faith, family, modern homemaking, and urban homesteading, home education, DIYs, food, and Boho style. Welcome back if you are returning. It amazes me how long it takes to truly get established in a new home. There's spaces in our home that we have been working on for 2 years since we moved in, like the laundry room. But then there are spaces that didn't quite work to begin with, and eventually our biggest size family's needs explode the space. That's the case with our food storage space right here. Initially, I had purchased these racks. We had just moved to town and we needed something for storage fast. We put them in this room along with our spare fridge in the basement. The space was always awkward though. The layout was poor and it was kind of crowded. The shelves weren't working. As you can see, nothing was working here. By the way, I do not recommend these metal shelves for food storage, just so you know. Especially food storage in glass. You know, a lot of stuff comes in glass from the store. These shelves are wobbly and items fall over and off of them all the time. So over the winter, my husband came across some scrap wood that was just going to be thrown away. He's a master woodworker, and the first thing he did with it was make open shelving for our open shelving kitchen transformation. He still had some wood left, and one day he said, "Hey, I want to use that wood to make some shelving for a walk-in pantry." Okay, I have a confession. I'm a big family mom of 6. We're a family of 8, as mentioned, and I have never had a suitable pantry big enough for storing all of our food. This was our current pantry situation. As you can see, it's small and overstock would quite literally be stuffed into this room. So I've always had makeshift and less than practical food storage needs. And when he said walk-in pantry, my interest was definitely piqued. I was kind of like, what is this strange phrase you speak of? I mean, I've heard people talk of big walk-in pantries and I've seen pictures on Pinterest, but the word is a mystery to me. At first, it seriously was just a project of my husband's. He worked on it for about a week before my brain kind of engaged in the project, and I started to realize how spectacular having a real walk-in pantry was going to make life. I've got to tell you, I have since been to real pantry land, and I don't ever want to come back from it. It is a magical place where you can actually see items you're looking for without having to unearth them after fighting a mini army of half-open bags of chips and random stray cans that you're not looking for. And it's a place where you can stash the chocolate chips. Get this, you can stash the chocolate chips up high where the kids don't even know they exist, giving that next batch of cookies you plan to make a living chance. I have been enjoying my pantry so much, and I'm so appreciative for it, especially after not having one for so long. I love coming home from the store and putting groceries away now. It used to be really stressful because I didn't have an adequate place to put them, and I was just kind of like burying everything. And the organization that this has brought us is so wonderful. I didn't know that meal planning could be this pleasant and easy. All I have to do is walk in here and check the shelves to see what it is we have. By moving the fridge to the center back wall, it opened up so much space. It made the fridge easy to keep organized. It made the whole room easy. And it was fun to make this space special. Okay, so I promised you that I would share 8 gluten-free pantry must-haves. Before I do though, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for notifications. Okay, so half of our family does not do well with wheat. and I especially can't do it without having serious issues. So that makes keeping gluten-free pantry items really important for us. You could use this list for any pantry though, gluten-free or not, because it will help you make some fast, easy meals. Okay, so number 1 on the list is tomato products. I like to keep them in a variety of kinds. Sauces, stewed tomatoes, whole tomatoes. They can go in soups. If you can't think of what to make for dinner, they can make a nice marinara or spaghetti sauce. And of course, we use them in chili. Next on the list, number 2, pasta for meals, fast meals. Another one, if you forgot to plan dinner, pasta to the rescue. Corn chips is number 3. We love corn chips for snacks, of course, and dips, but those busy homeschool days, we need a fast lunch, and nachos is one of our go-tos. We have it at least once a week. Nachos with beans make a more complete protein, and it's always a hit. So I like to keep beans on hand as well, and that's number 4. I keep them in cans, and I also keep them in dried form because I like to make them myself, but sometimes I don't always have time, or I just need a small amount. Flour for baking is number 5. I have all kinds of gluten-free flours. I don't always have a ton of time to bake, but I love baking, and I like keeping a variety of kinds, especially when you're gluten-free, because you need a variety for different purposes. Okay, moving on. Salad fixings. Our family loves salad. Almost everybody in the family loves salad. It's fast, it's easy, so I have lots of salad dressings and fixings. Check out my salad recipes on the blog. Number 7 is cream of mushroom soup, cream of celery soup, cream of chicken soup. These are great for some casseroles. And when I don't have time to make a cream sauce for something, I have this one dish that I make where it's just seriously frozen chicken breasts and the cream of soup, and you put some Swiss cheese over the top when it's done cooking. It's so good, and it's fast. Spices. Our family loves spices. We love making our own spice blends for foods, and it's so much less expensive than buying pre-mixed spices. We get ours from AZURE Standard. I will do another video talking about AZURE Standard pretty soon, but our family loves spices in everything, and even the kids get in on it. Our kids will often come into the kitchen when we're making our spice blends, and they will make their own little spice blend and say, "Can I use this on fish or chicken?" And we're like, "Of course." So friends, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more and hit that bell for notifications. We will see you next time.